Today I will introduce the visually pleasing hinge, the model HBE37, and we designed it with the concept that make our hardware more fit for your light luxury home decoration. No hinges and only beautiful covers. Similar to high-speed train design, smooth shape and hinge looks more friendly. Hidden hinge in the beautiful cover, which visually highlights the high-end and aesthetics of storage cabinet, making the comfort for your store and take the items. Okay, let me introduce you the statistics of our hinge. Here comes the parameters. The hinge's material is about iron and the finish is nickel. Our hinge's cup diameter is about 35 mm and the cup depth is about 12 mm. And you can see we often use the hinges on the door thickness is about 60 to 25 mm. And the opening angle of the doors is about 95 degrees. The depth adjustment plus minimums is about 2.5 mm, and our up and down adjustment plus minimum only 2 mm. And two ways. Small angle soft closing system will be on action when the door's opening angle less than 45 degrees, and you could close your cabinet door closely and softly.